typical training day, the trainer arrives, is met by the teacher, and then goes to the allocated room. Of course, enthusiastic and excited about the young people that she or he is going to get. On arrival, the trainer makes the young person feel, all the young people feel very, very comfortable. And then we have a number of activities. We have some fun introductions. We get everybody engaged in playing games. On some occasions, if you're lucky, you get a boom shaka boom. And then we have an opportunity to learn to do something impromptu, where we're learning to speak without using any notes and without having a lot of time to prepare. But usually this is quite fun. The aim is to work towards a 1 to 2 minute speech at the end of the session without the use of notes, which is where the challenge is.
My favourite part of the day is when we do the storytelling part, because it's not very often where you get to hear different stories from people you've been sort of at school with for a long period of time, and suddenly you get a chance to relate a story that's recently happened to you or happened in the past. And it's such a great opportunity to learn a bit more about the people in your class, that I think it's possibly one of the best parts of the day, storytelling.